Hey folks, it's Tony here from Rebel Financial. Today I want to talk about what self-employed people need to pay in terms of taxes. We have so many more people today doing things in the gig economy, whether it's part-time or full-time for the first time, and a lot of them don't understand the responsibilities they have as an employer. So it's very exciting. They're doing something on their own. Hopefully they're going to grow this into something big. But if you get off on the wrong foot with the IRS, that can really hold you back. So you want to make sure you're doing that the right way. This also applies only to people who made over $400 from 1099 income, because that is who is going to have to take care of it and it work like an actual business. So keep that in mind, okay? I also want to make this qualifying statement that I'm trying to hit this on a high level. I am not nearly teaching you everything that you need to know, okay? So you are really going to have to do your research. So that segues into this beautiful IRS website. They have really become better at communicating with things. But here is the Self-Employed Individuals Tax Center. I'd encourage you, no matter who you are, to learn what's on this website and to become familiar with it. Even if you are one of those people who are going to use other professionals, you should still know what those professionals have to do, because it is your fiduciary duty to yourself, to make sure things are being done correctly, okay? The first thing you have to think about is when you were an employee, you were having Social Security taken out for you. You probably, or you may not have realized this was being done, because it really is pretty seamless. Of course, your checks were a lot lower than the gross amount. But also what was happening was that your employer was paying Social Security and Medicare taxes for you. So now that you are your own employee, those responsibilities fall on you, okay? And you are going to have to not only pay those, but pay some of your taxes on a quarterly basis. So again, being part of this website, I encourage people to go through it, and you got some good directions here on what you can do to pay those taxes. So again, and most of what I'm talking about here is in this website. So keep that in mind as well. When you are filing those taxes, you're also going to have to look at your profit, because hopefully you are profitable. You may not be right away, and the goal is you spend a lot of money at the beginning of a business possibly. But eventually, if things go well, you will be profitable. So the way to think about this as an individual is that you are going to take your business, gather your things, put them on a Schedule C, and then eventually that is going to filter down to your 1040, okay? So you could have W-2 employee income, and you could also have your business income, and both will eventually be together on your 1040. So I would keep that in mind as you're processing this or having someone do it for you. Speaking of which, one of the things we encourage people when they're looking for a bookkeeper, because if things get complicated, you should hire a bookkeeper if you feel like you're not staying on top of things. But be careful with those that use proprietary software, because if you decide somewhere down the road that you want to switch bookkeepers, you will be locked into that proprietary software, and it's not as easy to switch. If you have somebody who has more of a universal software like QuickBooks, that's only one, there's a number of them out there, then you will easily be able to transfer the information to somebody else, okay? Because you kind of own the information as opposed to that proprietary software. So, but anyway, again, this was just meant to get you started, high level view, as so many of you are doing this exciting thing and working on your own. If you do have any specific questions, you are welcome to contact us or put them below in the comment sections. But otherwise, congrats, good luck, and keep trying to learn on what you need to do and help grow your business, okay? Thanks and take care.